Welcome to today's video on natural skincare for teens. If you're looking to keep your skin healthy, clear, and glowing without harsh chemicals, you're in the right place. We'll go over simple tips and natural ingredients that are easy to use and super effective. Let's get started. Understand your skin type. First things first, understanding your skin type is essential. There are 4 main types: oily, dry, combination, and sensitive. To determine your skin type, wash your face and wait an hour. If your skin feels tight, you likely have dry skin. If it's shiny, you have oily skin. If it's both, you have combination skin. Sensitive skin often reacts to products, so be cautious with new ingredients. Cleanse naturally. Cleansing is crucial. Use a gentle natural cleanser like honey or aloe vera gel. Honey is antibacterial and helps retain moisture, while aloe soothes and hydrates. Apply a small amount to your face, massage gently, and rinse with warm water. Cleanse twice daily to remove dirt and excess oil without stripping your skin of its natural oils. Exfoliate gently. Exfoliation helps remove dead skin cells. For a natural scrub, mix sugar or coffee grounds with olive oil. Gently massage it onto your skin once a week to avoid irritation. This will help brighten your complexion and promote cell turnover. Remember not to over-exfoliate, as it can lead to irritation. Moisturize with natural ingredients. Moisturizing is vital, even if you have oily skin. Opt for lightweight natural moisturizers like jojoba oil or shea butter. Jojoba oil mimics your skin's natural oils, helping to balance moisture levels. Apply a few drops or a small amount of shea butter after cleansing to keep your skin hydrated throughout the day. Sun protection. Never skip sun protection. Even if you're indoors, UV rays can still affect your skin. Use a natural sunscreen with an SPF of at least 30. Look for ingredients like zinc oxide or titanium dioxide, which provide physical protection against the sun's harmful rays. Reapply every 2 hours when outside, and remember to wear hats or seek shade when possible. DIY face masks. Consider using natural face masks weekly. For example, a banana and honey mask hydrates and nourishes. Mash 1 ripe banana. Mix with 1 tablespoon of honey and apply to your face for 15 minutes before rinsing off. Another option is a yogurt and oatmeal mask, which soothes and exfoliates. Mix 2 tablespoons of yogurt with 1 tablespoon of oatmeal and leave it on for 20 minutes. Hydration and diet. Don't forget the importance of hydration and a balanced diet. Drink plenty of water daily to keep your skin hydrated from the inside. Incorporate fruits and vegetables rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals into your meals. Foods like berries, spinach, and avocados are excellent for skin health. Natural skincare is all about finding what works best for you. Remember to cleanse, exfoliate, moisturize, protect, and nourish your skin from the inside out. Embrace your natural beauty and take care of your skin with these simple tips. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite natural skincare tips in the comments below. See you in the next video.